Hey everyone, this is a Casablanca 4 Seasons free. This fan is from like 2005. And for some reason people hate on these fans, But they're actually really good. They blow, honestly, this thing blows more air than my Delta did. I got this from the PA meet for $5. So I figured why not. Blows a good breeze on the low. Go to medium. It's not the fastest fan, but it's not slow by any means. Yeah, blows a good amount of air. Oh, it also came with this light kit, and the wires were literally cut. Stupid light kit. And then here's high. It has a slight wobble to it because it's not on the hang tree. It's just on a normal mounting bracket. Blows a great amount of air though. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.